Hey folks, this episode is sponsored by City Traders Imperium. Now, what you might not know is CTI has the best funded account conditions up to $2 million, which is the most in the industry. Now, go check out the video I recorded with them to learn more about their incredible package where Trading Nut listeners get an exclusive deal. It includes access to their high performance trader mastermind and funding program. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or above and go check out that video. All right, folks, welcome to Trading Nut. We've got Nick from Market Makers Method here to walk us through how he uses this cool little bit of software that he's got, along with his trading strategy, Trading the Market Makers Method, to show you guys how it can be done. So, Nick, welcome to the show. First of all, by the way, we did shoot a podcast just before this. Go and check it out. You're going to hear his full story. There should be a link underneath this video. You're going to get to hear exactly how he sort of made his way to this current point in time. So, Nick, first of all, welcome to the show. Thanks for coming on the Trading Nut YouTube channel. How are things over there in Florida?
Things are great. Yeah, beautiful weather. Couldn't complain anymore. So I'm just ready here to do my analysis for the day, actually, too. So.
Brilliant. Well, look, let's jump into your screen, have a look at what you're going to show us today, and then we'll wrap up the show.
All right. So here I actually have the homepage of Dashboard. And I'll actually take you through this winning trade that we actually had as a whole community yesterday. And I'll take you through just how I start. So I'll open this platform. It's actually Dashboard is about to update in the next hour for the next day starting. But first thing is first, I'll come here, I'll refresh the platform. Right here we have the homepage. And here we're looking at Eurozar. Typically, I come here on status and I will click it twice and I'll sort it so that the freshest peaks appear here on this first column. Now, the ones with a check mark are the ones that I'll always go through first because these represent a brand new trend. So it went from a bearish trend to a new bullish trend. And that's what represents these check marks. So the newest trends, here we have pound USD. And I'll just go through these, check them off, and what I'm looking for is pairs that are trending very nicely, that have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, just very well pairs that are behaving really nicely and then just look good overall. And Eurozar had my attention from yesterday, so we actually entered this trade right here. This was yesterday, exactly around the same time, and the dashboard updated, brand new to PFL with a check mark. So I entered this trade. We're already went to 300 pips right now. We're about 250 pips in profit, and I'll tell you exactly why I entered this. So number one was because the dashboard here gave me the signal where it's a brand new bullish trend. So now I know the direction, and for me, this was the only pair on my watch list, and it was the only one that I took. Then I went to my MetaTrader 4 platform and dismissed a lot of the things that you see here, but mainly what we are focusing on, let me remove this is called a TDI, it's the Traders Dynamic Index. You can find it anywhere, TradingView, it's free everywhere. All dashboard subscribers also get this exact indicator that I have here. Might be implementing it on the platform later on. But what we saw here is, remember how I was talking about the M and W patterns? So let me turn this off. Let me zoom out again. So we're looking right here on Eurozar. And if we come all the way to the end, as you can see, this right here is the beginning of London session. Now, what happened here is they have this volatile candle to the upside, which was to take traders out. Then they switch quickly and they try to induce traders to go short right here. They get traders to go short, and then they eventually create that W pattern right there, as you can see perfectly during London session.
Hey guys, quick message from my sponsor Sage Capital. Now they provide education software and tools needed to increase anyone's ability to trade more successfully. Perfect for people who are either still learning, too busy, or just want to use professional grade strategies to build passive income. They've achieved high returns with relatively low risk and are available for auto copying today. Go to sagecapital.co.uk or click the link above and start auto trading today.
The TDI, what I look for is something called a shark fin. as you can see, it's a volatile spike to the downside. Now, the big difference here is that you see a shark fin both to the upside and to the downside. And if you were to just use this alone, well, you'd be pretty confused and you would have false signals, right? But remember, a dashboard said to only look for buy trades because it's a bullish cycle. So then I ignored, if you come here, I can annotate this as well, but I ignored this shark fin right here. So let me annotate this quickly. So this shark fin right here, I ignored that because remember, dashboard said 2 PFL. We're only looking for buy trades. So instead, we took this shark fin to the upside. And then the same thing for this day right here is we took this shark fin because we're only looking for shark fins to the downside because we're looking for buy trades because dashboard said here that we're only looking for buy trades. So it was number 1 here. Let me clear all these. So here, dashboard said 2 PFL, that's check mark number 1. Now we go in here and we just look for any type of entry criteria. We found the 2 shark fins and we entered to the upside. And as you can see, it is currently still trending to the upside. And then another quite really cool feature that I've added to dashboard is if you look here, you can see that there's numbers under PFH and there's numbers under PFL. What does this mean? Well, basically, if we come here to the legend, we see flashing means trend has reached 3.0 ADR or more. Okay, so when these numbers start flashing, that's a really good indicator that the trend might be coming to an end and that we might be seeing a reversal. So if you look right here, let's use NZD USD as an example. NZD USD right here just went above 3 under PFL, which is current status. It's flashing now because it's giving you an indicator that, hey, you know, NZD USD has been in a bullish cycle since 11 days ago. But since we have a flashing PFL, now it's giving you the indication as, hey, you probably shouldn't be buying this anymore because we may be coming to an end soon and reversal and become a bearish cycle. So dashboard has a lot of universal things that you can follow. So that was just another tip to include, but that's essentially it. And that is the recipe for a winning dashboard trade is number 1, you just trade with the dashboard direction. PFH means it's bearish. PFL means it's bullish. And then you look for your entry strategy. I use the shark fin on the TDI and that's it. And then I will exit trades based off of areas, you know, areas of support and resistance, really basic stuff. But as long as you're getting the entry and the direction right, you should be, you know, you should be good to go. You know, you should see a lot of value in using this software.
Brilliant. Well, look, thank you for sharing that, Nick. And so I believe this can be used with any kind of trading strategy, and you can save yourself a whole bunch of time to finding the trend. Is that how other traders use it?
Yeah, absolutely. So a lot of our professional traders, you know, they've been trading for a long time now, so they don't want to. They're profitable. They don't need any change in their strategy, and that's fine because with dashboard now, instead of them flipping through 25 charts and trying to do analysis on each pair, which could take 10 minutes a pair, you know, you're looking at hours a day of just analysis. With dashboard, you open it up, you swift through these, and you only look at these on this column with the lowest amount, and now you're instantly filtered through. You know, now you have like 3 pairs on your watch list within 15 seconds. So your analysis is like going to be like 2 minutes a day, which is a huge time saver for professional traders, for traders who, you know, who have a busy lifestyle, and it's just overall accuracy as well.
Brilliant. Well, look, guys, thank you, first of all, Nick, for sharing that with us today. I'm sure this is really insightful for a lot of traders out there. Now, if these people want to find out more about you, what's the best way for them to get hold of you?
Yeah, so best way would be on our Instagram page. It's just at Market Makers Method. or you can go to our website. It's marketmakersmethod.com, and we have live chat support. You can get a hold of our team anytime. Typically reply, within minutes on our website.
Brilliant. Well, look, guys, if you do want to check out the full interview that we shot with Nick just before this, head over to the link below the video here. And also, do remember to hit subscribe to get more videos like this. Also, click the like button as well and the little notifications bell with the all as well. And we'll see you in the next video.